All right, my dudes. As an additional video supplement to your worksheet, because I know I give you guys videos on YouTube, but I figure I'd give you a video of myself solving one of these problems, and in particular, Gay-Lussac's law. So before I even start this, I'm going to give you guys the equation, P1 T1 equals P2 T2. And this is a ratio, so this means when this is this is going to be this. So when the pressure is this at this temperature, the pressure will be this at this temperature. Okay? So let's read question number 1. A gas in a sealed container has a pressure of 125 kilopascals and a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. If the pressure in the container is increased to 201, what is the temperature? So before I even do anything, I want to write down all of the information given to me, right? So first, P1, T1, P2, T2, right? So the first pressure I know is 125. First temperature is going to be 30 degrees. Second pressure is going to be 201. And then we don't know the temperature, the second temperature, or the final temperature. So that's what we're going to have to solve for. So now what we do is we plug and chug, right? So using this formula, I'm going to put these numbers in, right? So we know that 125 over 30 equals 201 over, and we don't know what this T2 is, or the second temperature is, so you can either put T2 or you can put X to make it easier for you, right? So right off the bat, I can actually simplify this and write it as, and divide it out, and I can write it as 4.16 equals 201 over X. Now I want to get X by itself to solve for X, so this is a simple algebraic problem. So what I can do is I can do the long route. I can do multiply both sides by X over 1, X over 1, and that's going to cancel X, that's going to cancel X, and that's going to give me 4.16 X equals 201. Now, in order to solve for X, I divide both sides by 4.16, and then X is going to be right around 48.31. And then remember, this isn't temperature that you're solving, so it's going to be degrees Celsius, right? And that makes sense because we know that according to Gay-Lussac's, as the temperature increases, the pressure increases as well, right? So we know that our pressure was this and our temperature was this. So we know if we increase the pressure, the temperature is going to be higher than 30, right? So that's a simple way to check ourselves here. Hopefully that made sense for you guys, and hopefully that was helpful.